Hi guys, what's up? This is your tech dude. Today I will explain Exchange Server, Microsoft Exchange Server 2013, step by step. Please subscribe my YouTube channel Tech Dude and please comment. Microsoft Exchange Server 2013, presented by Tech Dude. This introduction, Exchange Server 2013 architecture, focus on CAS, focus on MBX, routing mail follow and mail Exchange Server 2013. License editions. The Exchange Server 2013 is the standard edition and Exchange Server 2013 is available in enterprise editions. Client access list CALS. The standards CAL offers standards email functional from any platform. The license for typical Exchange Outlook usage. Enterprise CAL offer functionalities such as integrated archive, compliant feature, and information protection capability of the CAL is a add-on on the standard CAL, so both license need to purchase. What is new? A new look and feel, a client interface, Exchange Admin Center, web-based Exchange Management Cell, Exchange 2013 architecture, Mailbox server role, client access server role, manage store, managed availability, Outlook anyway, anti-malware protection, modern publication folders, data loss prevent. These are the new things on the 2013 Exchange server. What are removed in 2013? Don't support Outlook of 2003. This RPC and TCP access of Outlook clients, transport service integrated, and unidentified message services, managed folders, anti-malware. These all are removed 2013 Exchange server. Exchange Server Architecture 2013. Active Directory Partnership. The scheme partition content all subject properties that available Active Directory. There is only scheme partition of the entire the Active Directory product. Exchange Server 2013 had a lot of new objects and attribute Active Directory that make it possible to gain functional configuration of partition content on scheme information store information is configuration partition Exchange server information accepted domain information rules of policy instructions in the install all domain specification information store use object contacts and security and distributing groups stored in domain partition Exchange Server 2013 architecture, the internet and external SMTP simple mail transfer protocol server, mobile phones, web browser, outlooking remote, loading balance, KEMP load balance is with Exchange Server 2010 configuration is KEMP load balance was quite simple easy. You can the Exchange templates provide big configuration manual requirement 1 hour PCMAP on for HTTPS 443 port and optional redirection HTTP 80 port request HTTPS 443 with Exchange Server 2030 layer 4 virtual service traffic coming HTTPS port in 443 round ribbon just only layer 7 loaded balance availability performance health checking individual exchange 2013 web server and take advantage intelligent features in 2013 exchange server focus on CAS. The CAS itself does not preference any processing of respect mail data. It is processing regular port is 443 and this processing mailbox server is using port 444. Multi CA just only handling workload, not a related load balance solutions. The client access service is in 3 different client access point HTTP, IAMA pure pop-up 3 SMTP. This client access server 2013 that Death of RPC and TCP. The HTTP connections are terminated on the mailbox server. Internet iOS services, mailbox services, the app poll, the backend B capsules and RPC traffic, HTTPS streaming. Since Outlook clients now connected to the correct mailbox server is no longer necessary to RPC clients access service arrive. Exchange Server 2010 is FQD and CES arrivals of the server name that was visible Outlook. Exchange Server FQD and being used in the Outlook profile has been replaced with the mailbox guide. This author discover works on XML request sent from the Outlook client's access service. The client access service and they accept this request process. Mailbox service is gathering of required information returns on the XML packages Outlook. The request sent once on the hour in determine there an exchange in the exchange configuration. Load balancing. This load balancing layer 4 load balanced the multiple exchange server clients access services. If one service exchange server is 2013 client access service fails, the balance only rejects the client's access server in this failed. Routing mail. With a layer 4 load balance loaded balancing place in a multiple exchange server 2013 client access service. This client access service turn accepted connections. If you service exchange server 2013 clients access service fail, the load balance only rejected the client's access server in this failed. Focus on MBX. This mailbox database, one Exchange Server 2013 Enterprises mailbox service can be up to 100 mailboxes database when the installed mailbox server and new mailbox data automatically created both end systems. Their recommended maximum database size in normal Exchange 2013 mailbox server is the 2 TB up to 16 TB when you have multiple copies mailbox database. This E01 transaction process information, E00 check up while keeping track transactions. This Microsoft information storage, the Exchange Server 2013 mailbox server. It is particular database. If you have Exchange Server 2013, 25 mailbox data mounted and 24 mailbox data bay are not affected. Routing mail Exchange Server 2013. This transport pipeline front end transport service on CES transport service on mailbox services. Managing Exchange Server 2013. The Exchange Server Management Shell EMS Exchange Toolbox Details Templates Edition Remote Connectivity Analyzing Quick Queue Managing Tasks Managing the Support Microsoft.com KB link. Thanking your tech. Please subscribe my videos. Please like my videos.